Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Buying a full property surveillance system usually means accepting endless monthly fees, but this exact setup practically pays for itself. Digging into the field data, the loudest signal is the absolute relief of ditching hidden costs. You get an encrypted 32 gigabytes local base station, keeping your footage completely secure inside your house, even if an intruder smashes the outdoor unit. That peace of mind effortlessly carries over to the power supply, since it runs entirely off the grid. Just 3 hours of daily sunlight feeds the built-in panels, keeping the network active through dark, rainy weeks. It actively hunts movement, locking onto wandering delivery drivers in crisp 2000 pixels resolution, seamlessly handing off the tracking in full 360 degrees. Verdict: the ultimate rig for privacy-focused homeowners craving a zero-maintenance, reliable security shield.